Hello, myself Anurag. Today I'm going to give a presentation on my project. And the project is to convert any image of any famous personality into a sky art. What is an ASCII art? ASCII art involves creating a image of any person or any object using special characters or alphanumeric characters. So let's start. I have to convert the image of Sylvester Stallone into an ASCII art using the special characters. I have to focus on the concepts of loops, while loops, if else concepts. The special characters which I have used are asterisk, plus, equal, percentage, hyphen, dot, colon, hash, blank spaces. All these characters will be used to create this image of Sylvester Stallone. This project is mainly focused on programming. No libraries or no special converters are used to convert the image. Only pure coding has been used. How to approach this? In this, I have uh, converted the image as a grid consisting of 60 columns and 43 rows. In each cell, we need to put a character in such a way that it resembles the image of Sylvester Stallone. So, the methods which I have used. First, I have manually drawn this image in a notepad. It, it was a very tedious task. So as you can see here, the steps, uh, I created the image on a notepad. It consisted of trial and error. The final image came to be like this. Then the next part is coding, which is the most tedious part because it consisted of more than 1400 lines of code. So how to approach this? Firstly, the ASCII art which I created in Notepad, I pasted it into Excel sheet and I converted into grid. So here we can see there is a grid which has 60 columns and 43 rows. It will be used to navigate to each character and it will be very helpful while coding. So creating the folder structure. In the folder structure, first we need to create a folder image to ASCII. You can keep the name as per your choice. In this folder, we need to create files. Only there is a need of one Python file, that is image to ASCII.py, and there will be one image, and there will be image.txt file which will consist of the ASCII art. So now let's focus. What is the code logic? So here we can see there is a grid of 6 by 6. In the second row, there are 3 stars and one hash symbol. So how to code this? As we can see here, we will use if and elif concept. Okay, so if it is row 2 and since the stars are spread from column 2 to column 4, so we will use elif if column is between 2 and 4, including 2 and 4, we will use star character, and then in the end we will print that character. And the second case is hash symbol. Since it is a single character here, so we will use this concept if row is 2 and elif column is 5 because it is present in the column 5 and row 2. So we will use hash symbol and in the end we will print the character. So after, and we will combine both these logics in the code. Like here we have used column 25. If it is column 25 in row 2, then we will print the character dot. If it is row 2 and column is between 27 and 28 including both, we will print the column equal to. Now moving forward to our code. First, we'll see the folder structure. Here is the folder structure image to ASCII, and in the folder we have created one Python file image to ASCII.py, and there is one image file which consists of the image, and there is one image.txt file which will consist of our image ASCII art. So here we can see the logic, the same logic which I discussed earlier. So let's run this project. We'll write the code Python image to ASCII .py and we'll click enter. It has printed the all the characters in our console. So now we'll take a look at it. So here we can see it has used 43 lines, which means it has used 43 rows, and the width is 60 columns. So this is our project.